With ApiOmat Enterprise, you can add a typical mobile app easily by using our predefined modules. For example, let's take the push notification module. We can add it to our app by clicking on the small plus symbol. In the next step, we will make detailed configurations. We can, for example, choose the Google Cloud Messaging Certificate or the Apple Push Notification Certificate. Of course, we can also make additional security settings. Add it. And now we can see on the Windows left-hand side that the push module is active. Of course, we can still edit the configuration afterwards, or simply remove the module. We can also trigger push notifications during the developing process to test functionalities. The last thing we will take a look at is our class editor, where we can see our push modules, customized classes, as well as their respective attributes. That's it, our short excursion into the world of ApiOmat modules.